We're back again. After a cooling off period.
Yes, as they say, literally.
So what are we doing now?
Oh, I'm just putting in a little bit of ethyl maltol.
Oh yes. Wait, let me get a close up of this.
Okay. Okay, I'm only going to put one more drop in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Great.
Okay, so that is 0.07 grams. Because that's all you need. Do you want to remind yourself what ethyl maltol smells like?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's kind of going... It's like cooking toffee in the woods. Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry. Yes, you must look the other way.
Oh yeah. Okay.
The weird thing is, the more I smelt it surrounded by pine, the more it feels like it's outdoors and part of a tree. Usually it smells like candy floss, and now it's smelling weirdly plant-like. Yeah, tree-y. Like a sap that's dripping from the outside of a tree in hot weather. In the meantime, while the camera was cooling off, I took my watercolour pencils and I
made some art.
I made some art. Artists may at this point laugh. I give you full permission to go, oh, you're kidding me. The point is, it's directions for me. I'm still not sure how I'm going to make that, the sun dappledness with what, it's probably be Helional or Hedione, something that's sunshine like. So give it a tiny swirl.
What did you make the sunshine from? In sunshine and pancakes?
Oh, that was very strange. That was more of the effect of the sun on bare skin. But I did actually put, I smelled it out of the bottle, naughty me. I put some lemon essential oil in it.
That will do it.
I think it would.
Because a lemon looks just like a sun.
If you
from a
look at
long
it,
way away.
Yeah, from the long way rather than the side way.
It's a little bit smaller.
Yeah. Okay. This one's small, that one's
very far away.
Yeah. I could do the Cedra since it's here.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. It does smell. It smells to me as if you have plucked some sticky resin off the side of a tree and decided to chew it.
That is exactly it. That is exactly what that smells like.
Good. Good. Shall we ruin it? No, I say ruin. I don't mean ruin. I can disappear. I'm going to get the Cedra if I can find it. And here it is, because you can never have too much Cedra. So Cedra is, I label it posh lemon usually.
What's it made out of?
Lemons. But it's the Citrus medica, not the normal Citrus limonum. So it's a lemon, but it's a bigger one. If you wanted to look like the sun, you'd have to put it that way on, because it's very... Where's it? Yeah. But I'm going to go for it and stick in a gram of that.
Goodness. At what percent?
10%. So it's going to change it.
Yeah.
But I feel that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw some real ones growing in the bubbly gardens. I just love saying
I got it on my nose.
Gardens. What about it?
I got it on my nose.
Oh, you've got it on your nose. I thought you were complaining about your nose.
No. There we go.
I thought it was being troublesome.
Had lots of antihistamines today, talking about noses.
Yeah. I haven't stopped since May.
Thanks.
I'm beginning to think it's making me tired.
Do you know fruit and vegetables that are red in colour contain a natural antihistamine.
Yes, which is why... No, it isn't. I'm getting them mixed up with polyphenols.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I know nothing more than that sentence.
Okay.
Aubergines. So like the purpley colour.
Okay, that's again, it's not red.
The purpley colour. Cherries.
Beetroot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything that's purpley colour.
Peppers. Okay.
I think that's it anyway. Could be
So,
wrong.
the thing is here, I'm finding, I don't know if you've heard, the Cedra absolutely does not dominate.
No, it doesn't.
just lifts.
I was just thinking that it doesn't. It's not.
It's just gone in really nicely into this blend and has... I can write it down because I nearly forgot to write it down. Put the lid back on. Yes, 1 gram Cedra at 10%. I mean, the thing is that I've got to the point here.
This is good.
Good.
It's really good.
I've got to the point now where I have a shelf full of things. I know where to reach for them. I think in my head I know what to add the things to fill certain gaps.
Mm-hmm.
That takes a while. I find myself unable to answer questions where people say, I've bought this formula and it's got all these things in. Which ones should I put in? Which ones should I miss out? And I don't know what they all smell like. And I don't know why the perfumer put them there. I can't answer that question. You've got to do some work. And no, but
Just have a go.
I've bought this formula. It adds up to 1,000. How am I going to fit it into a 10ml bottle? You're starting in the wrong place. It's the Irish joke, you know. How do I get from here? How do I get to there? No, you don't want to be starting from here. It's
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think we have the centre. I may come back next week with the other things that I have made and
I
put
think
together
so.
because it's too warm for the camera. It's too warm for
So
humans.
it's turning into an epic.
We could divide it up.
Would you like to?
I think probably.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe we'll do it in cooling
Episodes.
phases.
Yeah.
Episodes. Cooling phases.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we'll do the pond next. I feel very bad for the camera. It's struggling. It's struggling.
Yeah.
You know? I think it's cruel to make it this hot. It's like taking the dog for a walk in the park in weather like this. You just feel very sorry for them. It's like, no, just take you home and put you in the bath.
Yeah.
Not the camera.
I won't put the bath in the camera.
No.
I mean the camera in the bath.
Neither of those things. You see, yeah, it's too hot.
Great.
But I'm liking the way this is going.
Me too. I can already see myself wearing this. Whatever this is going to turn out to be.
I'm going to write everything down now. I'm going to label this. I'm going to call it 19625 Black Book. So I can find it. And I'm going to label that. And then, thank you very much. Yeah, what do I do with them? And all the lids are back on. We're all fine.
Great. It's been a pleasure.